All right, everyone, it's Coach Greg here again with Omar and Ella. This series, this segment right now is all about locomotor skills. And when I say locomotor skills, I'm referencing running, jumping, skipping, hopping, anything that moves the body from point A to point B. So we are going to go through some technique, focusing on our posture, our knee bend, our back, and also our arm swing, so that we're in good ergonomic position when we're doing all of our locomotor skills. So I'm going to have you guys demonstrate some of the drills I'm going to run through, maybe one at a time, and maybe we'll start with Ella. I'll get you to have one heel on the backboard there, and I'm just going to have you light jog to the other side, tap it, and come all the way back.
Like this?
Yeah, that's excellent. Good arm movement. Knees are nice and bent. Okay, now we're going to increase the tempo on that to a medium. So that was nice and slow. Now we're going to go medium speed. Excellent. And now we're going to jump up one gear into high speed, so a little bit faster. Yeah. Nice, good work. So that's just moving our body through the running motion. Again, you want to make sure your arms are swinging and your knees are nice and bent, okay, and your head's up nice and straight. So Omar, I'm going to have you try this next drill. You're going to go where Ella was.
Yes, coach.
And we're going to go slow speed first. You're going to go back and forth. You're going to touch the boards. You're going to run forward, and then you're going to run on your tippy toes backwards, okay? So here we go. Excellent. Oh, that was nice and slow.
And again.
Now we're going to pick it up a notch, go to a medium speed. Okay. Yeah. Nice. All right. And one more medium speed, just to show the technique. Great. Excellent. And then we're just going to go all out, full speed. Good work, good work, good balance. So what I want to emphasize with that is you were really getting nice and low to the ground. Your knees were nice and bent. And when you were running backwards, you shifted your weight to your almost to your tippy toes, so that you're not too far back on your heels, and you can get into a good balance onto your tippy toes. It's great arm swing. Now we're going to go over to jumping. Okay, so we're going to just practice our jumping with 2 feet. So we're going to come out here, and I just want you to jump with 2 feet and land with 2 feet. Okay,
it's all about momentum.
Yeah.
Don't forget to engage your lower back and your arms as well.
Yeah, both of you can try a little simple jump. Nice. Now come back and do that again. Excellent. Good arm swing, nice and controlled.
One more.
Yeah. So when we do the jump, now I want to just focus on hopping. So we're going to do maybe a hop, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? 3 hops.
Right, Ella.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, excellent. Good engage on the back. Now for this next one, we'll need a little bit of runway. So we're going to do a run, a jump, and we're going to try and land on 2 feet. So it's basically running, jumping, and sticking the landing with 2 feet. Okay? So run, jump, and land. Good work. Good pace,
Should I do
tempo. Yeah. Nice. Excellent. So these drills are something that everybody can do at home. So you don't need a big fancy gym or lots of equipment. These are kinetic movements, locomotor skills that you can practice anywhere. What other locomotor skills can we talk about? Maybe skipping, jumping, hopping.
One drill I like to do for basketball that's really good, it's a very good defensive drill, is you want to get low in a stance like this and shuffle your feet one way and then the other. This really helps you stay in front of your defender and is transferable to many different sports. So remember, stay low, never cross your feet, and keep your hands up. That also engages your shoulders.
All right. Ella, you want to give that a go?
Sure.
Awesome. Nice work. I'm gonna give this one a go. I like trying to get low, work on my sore knees. Okay, this is a good drill. Really engages the lower body. All right, so that session was all about locomotor skills, moving the body from point A to point B through different drills like running and jumping and skipping and hopping. It was a lot of fun. And yeah, you get your body going, get warmed up. We'll apply some of those locomotor skills to our next session, which is object control, where we'll be learning how to stick handle a ball with a floorball stick through a variety of different drills. We'll see you in the next episode.